Now let us see the next topic, students. Congruence of arcs. Two arcs are congruent if their measures and radii are equal. Okay. Now here arc DE. See the figure here. Arc DE. See arc DE. This is the arc DE and arc GF. So this is the arc GF. Okay. Are congruent. Are congruent. Why these arc are congruent? Because the central angle of this arc is equal to the 70 degree. That is, this arc is included in the angle, central angle, and which one is the angle DCE, that is 70 degree. So that arc DE is equal to 70 degree. And here the arc GF is equal to also 70 degree because it included in the central angle GCF. As the GCF is equal to 70 degree, then arc GF is also equal to 70 degree. So the arc DE is congruent to arc GF. So we can write this as arc DE congruent to arc GF. Let us see the property of sum of measures of arc, students. So here in this figure, students, the points A, B, C, D, E are concentric. With these points, many arcs are formed. Yes, we can form the many arcs from this figure. So now here there is one and only one common point C to arc ABC. See here, if you consider this arc ABC and the arc CDE, then there is only one point is common and that point is C. Okay, and so measure of arc ACE is the sum of measure of arc ABC and arc CDE. We have to measure out the total measure out of the ACE, this student, this arc, totally this arc from A to E. Then the major arc ABC plus major arc CDE is equal to major arc ACE. Statement of this theorem: the chords corresponding to congruent arcs of a circle are congruent. So here from the statement we draw the figure, students. So here first we draw the chords, and with respect to the chord there are the arc. So here we name the arc APC and arc DQE. Okay, these arcs are formed by the chords AC and chord DE respectively. Now here arc APC is congruent to arc DQE. This is the given, students. Okay, and then we have to prove that the arcs that is made by which chords that are equal. That means we have to prove that chord AC is congruent to chord DE. Okay, students. So let us see how to prove this theorem. The proof now, students. In triangle ABC and triangle DBE. See here, there is a formation of the triangle ABC and the triangle BDE. Then the first point, we get the first point as the side AB is congruent to side DB. See here, side AB is congruent to side DB. Why it is so? Because radii of the same circle. Then the second point, that is a side BC is congruent to side BE. Side BC is congruent to side BE. Same reason, that is the radii of the same circle. Now the third point, that is the angle ABC. Angle ABC is congruent to angle DBE because the chords are congruent, and which is the given, and so that's why the central angle, their corresponding angles are equal. So now here we have the 3 points. So we can say that the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DBE by SAS congruence test. And so that in this triangle there is a chord, that is the side AC and DE, which is nothing but the chord. So we say chord AC is congruent to chord DE and by the CSCT. Students, thank you for watching our videos. Achieve your success with us. I sure that you will get 100% success in maths. So watch our videos continuously, regularly, like our videos, share our videos to your friends